Now gagging. Gagging is a mean to effect choking by preventing a fair entry through the mouth and nose. That is, something is gagged, pushed into the mouth, stuffed something into the mouth. And the gag commonly used is handkerchief or any piece of cloth which is stuffed tightly into the mouth. And it not only fills the mouth but also obstructs the breathing through the back of the throat. And this is important that the gag, when it is packed, choking only will occur when the saliva, the mucous secretions, and the edema fluid, it will moisten the gag, and the pores of that cloth will be blocked, and then only the breathing will be stopped. The entry of air will be stopped. Now, while the autopsy findings, the tongue should be specially examined for the position and the presence of bruising or the bite mark before the dissection of neck or removal of the viscera. And in post-epileptic choking, the history of fit, the tongue bite, and the position of the tongue is important. In choking due to foreign body, in addition to asphyxial finding, you can find the object which is responsible for uh, causing the choke that will be found in the respiratory passages. And you can prevent the choking in children by the Heimlich maneuver. Now, regarding the medical legal aspect, death from choking is always accidental. It arises from impaction of food, impaction of fish bone, impaction of denture, or any other foreign body. And in alcoholics, the vomited material may be inhaled, aspirated. And in children, small objects like the marble, the coins can be engulfed. Then the impaction of pee may occur in children. And these are various objects which were recovered. The homicidal choking is usually confined to cases where the infanticide is done, where all sorts of foreign articles are introduced into infants which are available. Then suicidal choking is rare. And gagging is always homicidal. Gagging is always